Ooh. Welcome back to a new tutorial. Sorry I've been away for so long. I'm still really busy with work. Actually, I'm flying to Spain next week, so there's more work. But I was thinking I should squeeze in a tutorial here with a cognac bottle. The truth is I have not tried it out, so we'll see if it will be a mess or not. And today I'm trying out the gimbal that's following me. It looks like there's a cameraman there, but it's this DJI Osmo Pocket. We'll see, because I packed down all the equipment, so I cannot, everything is like backup stuff here, but I hope it will be fine. So 5D Mark IV 100mm macro, cable tethered into Capture One. Okay, so I saw a picture a friend of mine sent me, Martin, and there was kind of a bottle upside down, and I was thinking maybe I should try this with the cognac bottle. Probably it will not work. I need really to drill a hole, you know, in the under it when I'm turning it, so it will create this nice something. But I think this will be a composite shot, and I have actually no idea if it will work, but let's try. And hopefully this will make it to the cutting room. Okay, and finally you will see it on YouTube. So how to start? Woo. And let's switch this around. So here we have this black IKEA tabletop with water, and then diffusion, and then very simple, this is just a Profoto D2 flash, and I have this, it's called ProBox. It's just a nice tool. It's not necessary to have this, you can have just a regular small softbox, but the reason why I use this, because it creates very sharp and nice edges. And then to the right, it's this, I just black board covering it a bit, and this edge, it's very close to this Savage Translume heavyweight plastic. By the way, I ordered it's very dark back here, I have the medium weight and also the lightweight, but I haven't had time to make a tutorial about this. Hopefully I will do it soon. So if I place the bottle here somewhere, and the plan is to hold it upside down, but let's take a shot. Yes, there it is. It's kind of complicated to hold. Can it go down a bit? Bottle, camera, very good cameraman today. The reason why I'm doing this with the background, there's no reason, but I felt that it's so boring with the same, just a spot, or it's flat. So something is going on with some shadow play there. And now, I don't know really how to do this. I think I would turn it upside down, and now I realize I haven't connected the remote for this. But I will turn it upside down, and then I take a shot when the cognac is going out from the bottle, and then I take shots, and hopefully there will be some nice bubbles inside the bottle. And then I think we have to take a separate one when I'm pouring in the water here. So I have to combine these two shots somehow in Photoshop. But there will be a tutorial for that after this. We'll see how it goes. Of course I cannot find the remote, so... Oh wait, I think I saw when I was cleaning, I found this old remote. maybe this will work actually. It's an old, it's like a Photix. And it's for, yeah, it's for Canon. Hopefully it will work. I need to be over here. I need to press the camera at the same time, you know. So, will it work? Timer. Oh, one shot. Timer. What is this timer? Just take a bloody shot. Don't never deal with crap. Okay, well, then I have to do it like this, I guess. Okay, so now we will try to take this first shot. And I have a cork that I made a hole in. This is for the first one. I will take away the original and I put in this cork, and hopefully there will not be too big of a mess. Let's see what we got. Oh, the light is too low. No, I was holding it too high. Shoo. Otherwise it's quite cool, but I should really hold it much lower, very close to the surface, I guess. Follow me. Oh, good one. Let's try again. Hold it close. Okay, let's take a look. What did we get? Did we get something beautiful? I want some nice bubbles inside, but they get very small, of course, because we don't have a hole. This was really beautiful. I will fill it up again a bit. Fill it up again a bit. And let's put this camera on high. The tricky part will be to retouch the... Is there any focus? The tricky part will be to retouch the right side of the bottle. This means we need to take a separate one somehow. But first I would like to try to take out this cork and do a nicer pour. Nicer pour. Woo! Woohoo! Maybe we can use one of those. Okay, beautiful. So, what's next? When I'm holding it, you know, it should be floating in the air. Need to have this other corner of the bottle where I was holding. I need to have that to hopefully I can find the right angle and retouch it in like that. A few different angles. Very, very messy today, but that's how it is. So this is it for today. I'm trying to keep it short. I see I recorded 27 minutes, I see, on the screen, and I will try to cut it down to hopefully between 5 and 10 minutes. Recently I put up a new website where you can become a member or a coffee supporter even, because I will put up stuff there that, you know, it's easy to access all my tutorials. So go to botvidsson.se and become a member today. And as always, see you next time.